tough. The pace was high. Like I was really exhausted at one point, and Theo was pushing quite a bit in second lap, and I got from the team like the info that he's like catching up to me, and I was like, oh man, okay, it's time to push now the last lap. And yeah, I was quite physical in the morning the race, but yeah, stoked to see Theo in second, man. Fucking really stoked.
Well done.
Yeah.
That was good racing.
I'm happy the race was fast, but in the same time exhausting to go fast because it was always bumpy, always rocky, always tricky. So it was important to have flow. I'm feeling awesome with my new machine. I'm super happy with our symbiosis, and it's a good start of the season. We will keep working to be strong in all the races.
He podido llegar en el podium, que no es lo que quería, pero por lo menos son unos buenos puntos para el campeonato, y esto ha sido solo un calentamiento para lo que viene esa temporada. Muchas gracias.